So I had to come to New York for work, and I put out on social media that I was coming to New York, and I was hoping to meet some friends that wanted to have me over and show me how they make some of my recipes or some food they would want me to try. And I have tequila to make a drink in exchange. Yeah? Ready? Oh my gosh, Dan!
What? I got a lot.
You got 3 kinds of cinnamon? What the heck? You got like, you crazy. You got like triple.
We're gonna have a lot of
We're
drinks.
gonna have to make drinks like for the entire neighborhood. Let's go. Oh, I see! Aquí está! I see him! I recognize you! Hello! Hi!
Mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto! Oh my God!
Welcome.
Thank you. Hi! You just missed it. They all said hi. Hi guys!
This is Christina. She's actually in Arizona.
You came from Arizona?
Yes.
I mean, I hope it will be worth it for you. I mean, the food is on them. The food is on them.
I'm gonna make some adobo. My mom used to make it.
Okay.
And I got the recipe from her.
And she showed you
And
how
she
to
did,
make
yes, yeah. And so that's how
it
how I
good?
got it.
it. Is it good?
Oh, it's amazing.
Okay. So tiene guajillo, jitomate, cebolla.
Cebolla, ajo,
¿De dónde es tu mamá?
de Puebla.
No me digas.
Sí,
I
yeah.
love Puebla. So you still have family in Puebla?
I do, yeah. All my family is there.
You know, it's incredible how much one can learn about Mexican cooking being in the US, because there's so many of us here from so many different regions, you know? I can also whip up a drink for them because they're waiting, right?
Let's clear some space.
Should I? So a torito is a traditional drink from Veracruz. So you're gonna try to eyeball like 3/4 of a cup pumpkin, 2 cans of evaporated milk, the sweetened condensed milk. I like using the Centenario Añejo because it has personality. You know, it's like a little caramelly, a little rustic, it's like deep. Vanilla extract, a little cinnamon, ground cloves, and I like adding nutmeg in here, and it smells like holiday. Yes. Right? So we're gonna puree these until completely smooth. It's too full. Uh-oh.
It's okay, we got it.
Uh-oh. I made a mess. Thank you.
It's an honor.
Salud.
It's like your version of the PSL, right?
What's
Pumpkin
PSL?
Spice latte.
Oh.
This eats it.
We're gonna make more, right?
Yeah.
As being Mexicano,
Yeah.
one of the things I think is a staple recipe is rice. And I never cooked rice. And I saw your recipe and I did it and it was perfect.
So I can't wait to try your rice.
Oh my god. So okay, so now the heart is racing like crazy.
Oh,
You know what I'm saying? So this rice changed my life. It changed my cooking confidence.
It did?
It absolutely did.
Do you want me to start frying the rice in here? What we want is for these to bubble, and once it bubbles, you can cover and reduce the heat hasta lo más bajito.
Okay.
¿Y ya?
And then when we reduce it, that's where we put the peas and the carrots.
Oh, this is awesome. Not only are they hosting me, they're helping me take a beautiful photo of the drink. That looks so beautiful. I feel like I'm in a fonda back in Mexico. This is so lovely. Está delicioso. And I feel honored that you made your mom's recipe for us. Oh my gosh! That's so beautiful and so young.
So young.
Thank you for welcoming us into your home. I mean, not only you welcome us into your home, but you're sharing these family recipes, and that means a lot, you know? Oh, I need one of those sticks.
Yeah.
That made such a gorgeous photo.